Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 15. We are on module 2. So this is story time. You need to study the comic on the student's book on page 22 until 23. So I will read this again. So we have this frame number 1. So it's career day at school. Carrie's mom is a dentist. She fixes people's teeth. So I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning every day. I have a shower. Then I get dressed and I have breakfast. At 7 o'clock, I take the train to work. So remember, the dentist take the train, go to work. And then we have frame number 2. Joey's dad is a firefighter. He puts out fires and saves people. I drive my car to work. Sometimes I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner at work. So this is his firefighter. And we have frame number 3 on page 23. So Monica's mom is a chef. She works in a restaurant. I take the bus to work and I cook all day. Sometimes I go home late. So we have 3 jobs here. And then you will need to read and match. So based on these options here, so we have 1, 2, 3. So this is dentist, firefighter, chef. So A, save people. So we have firefighter. So A, you match with firefighter. And then we have B, cooks all day, chef. So number 3 goes to B. And then C, fixes people's teeth. So we have dentist. And then D, drives to work. So we have D, second. So firefighter drives to work. And then E, gets up at 6 o'clock. So we have dentist. Goes to E. And then the final one, works in a restaurant. So obviously he is chef. So 3 goes to F. So next we move on to activity 2. Read and write. So we have the bus, 7 o'clock, a cat at work. Number 1, Carrie's mother takes the train at, so this is time, so we have 7 o'clock. Every morning. And then number 2, so I maximize it a bit. Joey's dad sometimes has dinner, so at work. So we already have full stop here. Number 3, Monica's mom takes to work. So we have the bus. And number 4, Dexter wants to be, so a cat. So you may read the comic again on the student's book. Just now I shared with you the frames of the comic. So number 3, do you like the story? Choose and color. So you can color each of these one, only choose one. So most pupils will color this one. So that's it for this page. So we have Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 15. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.